Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable iCloud backup on your iPhone. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on your name here, just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on iCloud, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just click here on iCloud backup here. So then you come to next step here. You come here to backup. This is iPhone, click in this sign or this color. Then you click on turn off and now you disable iCloud backup on your iPhone. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.